heart sees what the eyes can't see. Tonight, let love speak. I was standing right beside you, but somehow you couldn't see my heart. We were holding on to memories while letting little pieces fall apart. I know I wasn't always patient, and you had reasons to pull away. We both let silence speak too loudly when love was asking us to stay. Now the evening breeze is calling, and the moon is shining through. If you can leave the past behind you, I'll give my heart again to you. Open your heart again, let me in. Let the healing of our love begin. Don't let yesterday decide today. We can find another way. I forgive you, forgive me too. There's still something beautiful in me and you. After all the tears we've cried, let our lasting love become our guide. I remember how you used to smile when we watched the sunset disappear. Those simple moments meant so much, even when the future wasn't clear. Maybe we were chasing perfect dreams when all we needed was something real. Love isn't always free from hurting, but forgiveness gives the heart a chance to heal. Let the ocean take our sorrow, let the warm wind calm our minds. We don't need to solve tomorrow. We can love one day at a time. Oh, open your heart again, let me in. Let the healing of our love begin. Don't let yesterday decide today. We can find another way. your shadow underneath the palm trees, walking slowly where the warm wind meets the sea. For a moment everything stood still, and I remembered how you made my heart feel. We had our nights when the words came too fast and left some broken pieces in the past. But time has shown me what I couldn't see, that your love still has a home inside of me. So don't be afraid to open up again. We don't have to repeat the way things ended. If you can meet me somewhere in the middle, we can let our hearts solve this little riddle. Come back to my heart, come back slowly. Let the warm night remind you that you know me. Leave the heartbreak somewhere by the shore. We don't have to carry it anymore. I forgive you and forgive me too. There's still a beautiful love waiting for us too. If you believe that our story isn't through, I'll leave the light on, waiting here for you. Your voice still sounds like a song in summer, soft and sweet when the evening winds come. I remember every little way you could turn my darkest night into day. We don't need to hide behind our pride. There's nothing left that we need to disguise. If affection is the language of the heart, let's speak it now and make another start. Let the ocean wash away the blame. Let tomorrow bring a brighter flame. Take my hand and don't be afraid. Some of the best love stories are remade. Come back to my heart, come back slowly. Let the warm night remind you that you know me. Leave the heartbreak somewhere by the shore. We don't have to carry it anymore. I forgive you and forgive me too. There's still a beautiful love waiting for us too. If you believe that our story isn't through, I'll leave the light on, waiting here for you. If the distance made us stronger, then the waiting made us understand. Sometimes love needs room to breathe before two hearts can meet again. No more promises we can't keep. No more secrets buried deep. Just honest words and open eyes, and the love that chooses to survive. caution. Restrain heart. Come back to my heart. Come back slowly. Let forever begin with something holy. After every tear and every lonely night, we found a way back into the light. I forgive you and forgive me too. Now I see how much my heart still needs you. When the morning comes and the sky turns blue, I'll still be here believing in you. Come back slowly, no need to run. The old pain is fading, the new love has begun. Come back to my heart. Stay. Ooh, yeah. When the evening comes and the memories start to speak, keep a little place for me. When the sunset paints the water gold, I remember all the stories we once told. Your laughter still lives inside my mind, like a gentle song that time could never hide. We had our seasons, sunshine and rain, moments of joy and moments of pain. Sometimes we were too proud to say the words that could have saved another day. But time has taught my heart to understand. Love needs patience, love needs open hands. If there's still a little room inside your heart, maybe tonight we can make a brand new start. Keep a place for me inside your heart, even when the lonely nights keep us apart. I will carry every memory with care, and I'll know that your love is waiting there. I forgive you, please forgive me too. There's still a dream I wanna share with you. Through every season, every changing sea, keep a little place in your heart for me. I remember how you held me close when I needed you the most. Then the years brought different roads, and we carried separate loads. But love doesn't always disappear. Sometimes it waits beneath the fear. And when the heart finally learns to heal, it understands what was always real. So let the old regrets fall away. They don't have to follow us today. Take my hand I remember every word you used to say. If the years should change the way we look, I remember the love that time never took. And if you ever feel alone, look toward the place we called our own. Maybe somewhere beneath the stars, two hearts can find their way back from afar. Keep a place for me inside your heart, because true love doesn't simply fall apart. Through the heartbreak, through the rain, we can learn to love each other again. I forgive you, please forgive me too. Let tomorrow bring a brighter view. And wherever life may carry me, I'll keep your love alive inside of me. Keep a place, keep a little place for me. When the night turns into day, love will know the way. Ooh, yeah. I'll remember. Ooh, yeah. Take it easy, my love. Every heart has a road to travel, and every road can lead us home. I've walked through evenings with a restless heart, searching for a place where we could make a start. I carried memories like stones along the way, until your loving voice brought light into my day. We had our moments when the silence grew, when I was lost and didn't know what to do. But somewhere underneath the hurt and tears, your love was waiting through the passing years. So let me leave the past behind and bring a little peace into your mind. If your heart still has a place for me, I'll meet you where the waves meet the shine. I'll be waiting with my heart open wide. No more running, nowhere left to hide. I forgive you and forgive me too. There's still a beautiful road for me and you. After every storm and every lonely night, we'll find our way towards the morning light. Sometimes love gets buried underneath the pain. Sometimes sunshine follows years of rain. We both made mistakes we can't undo, but I've learned that healing starts with you. I don't need to know what tomorrow brings, or what the changing seasons might take away. If I can wake beside you every morning, I'll be grateful for another day. Let the warm breeze calm your soul. Let forgiveness make the broken whole. Take my hand and walk with me. There's a better place that we can see. Find me where the ocean meets the sky, where the evening stars begin to shine. I'll be waiting with my heart open wide. No more running, nowhere left to hide. I forgive you and forgive me too. There's still a beautiful road for me and you. After every storm and every lonely night, we'll find our way towards the morning light. Every heart has known a lonely road. Every soul has carried some heavy load. But love can turn a stranger into home, and make you feel you're never alone. So if your tears begin to fall, I'll be there to catch them all. No matter how far the journey goes, I'll walk beside you. That's what love knows. Through the heartbreak, through the rain, we found a reason to believe again. I forgive you and forgive me too, and I'll spend my life building something true. When the golden morning fills the sky, I'll still be right here by your side. Where the ocean meets the sky, that's where I'll be, waiting for your love, waiting patiently, no matter how far. My heart knows the way. Ooh, baby, come a little closer. Let the evening breeze roll through. Tonight, it's only me and you. Your gentle smile brings the best out of me. After all the roads that we've traveled alone, I finally found my way back home. There were days when we couldn't understand, when our dreams slipped like grains of sand. But every tear taught my heart to see how much your love still means to me. So let the old days disappear. There's nothing left for us to fear. If you can trust my heart tonight, I'll hold you underneath the fading light. Right here in your arms I feel alive, like the first warm sunrise after a stormy night. Stay with me and let the whole world wait. There's no better place and there's no better fate. I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me. Let our hearts become the love they're meant to be. Through every season, come whatever may, I'll choose you again with every brand new day. I remember when your laughter filled the air, how you always knew when I was scared. We lost our way, but we never lost the flame. Even when we couldn't say each other's name. Now I'm learning love is more than words. It's standing strong when the storm is heard. It's giving space, then holding on. It's believing in tomorrow when today feels gone. Let your worries rest against my chest. You don't have to carry all the rest. The past can stay beneath the tide. There's a brighter road for us outside. Right here in your arms I feel alive, like the first warm sunrise after a stormy night. Stay with me and let the whole world wait. There's no better place and there's no better fate. I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me. Let our hearts become the love they're meant to be. Through every season, come whatever may, I'll choose you again with every brand new day. If tomorrow brings a little rain, I'll be beside you through the change. If your heart gets tired along the way, put your worries down and let me stay. We don't need a perfect life, we just need a love that's honest and alive. Two hearts, one road, one simple truth. I still believe in me and you. Let the night keep turning slow. No more running, no more letting go. Just love. Ooh, yeah. Easy now. Let the night breathe, carry the me's away. There's still love here. I used to hear your footsteps by the door. Now the quiet doesn't hurt like it did before. We had our moments, we had our tears. We carry little wounds through the years. I know I said goodbye when I should have stayed, and you had your reasons for being afraid. But time has softened every word we said, and brought a little light back to my head. So let the old memories rest. We both learned how to give our best. If your heart can open one more time, I'll meet you underneath the moonlight. There's healing in the moonlight tonight. There's a little hope in the stars so bright. Come lay your heart beside mine. Maybe we can leave the past behind. I forgive you, forgive me too. I still believe there's something true in you. After every tear and every lonely night, we can find our way back into the light. Your photograph still sits beside my bed, but now I smile at the words we never said. I don't wanna live inside yesterday. I wanna love you in a brand new way. If affection is a river, let it flow. If forgiveness is the seed, let it grow. We don't have to promise we'll never fall. Just promise we'll be there when the shadows call. Let the warm breeze touch your skin. Let another chapter now begin. No more blame and no regret. There's so much love we haven't given yet. There's healing in the moonlight tonight. There's a little hope in the stars so bright. Come lay your heart beside mine. Maybe we can leave the past behind. I forgive you, forgive me too. I still believe there's something true in you. After every tear and every lonely night, we can find our way back into the light. Love can disappear behind a cloud, but that doesn't mean the sun is gone. If you're ready, I'll be waiting. No pressure and no demands. Just bring your heart a little closer and let me hold your hand. Deep melodic bass, soft skank guitar, virtual ordered body, subtle saxophone, high drum lights, shake a spring crane of the meat. I find something beautiful beyond the loss. I forgive you. Forgive me too, and I'll spend my days repeating with you. When the morning brings its golden light, I'll still be loving you tonight. Healing in the moonlight. Let the old pain fade. No more running, no more hiding. Just love, just you and me. Come sail with me. Easy on the heart. Let the night carry us away. We were young when we found each other. Two wandering hearts beneath the summer sky. You gave me a love like no other. Then somehow we let the years pass us by. I remember the nights we talked forever, dreaming of a life we'd build someday. Then pride and anger changed the weather, and little by little we drifted away. But the tide keeps turning back to shore, and my heart keeps asking for something more. If there's still a little love inside, come take my hand and stay by my side. Sail with me through the night, my love. Let the moonlight guide us from above. We don't have to know where tomorrow goes. Just follow where this gentle feeling flows. I forgive you. Please forgive me. Let the past by my side. There were times when I thought we'd lost it, times when goodbye seemed easier to say. But every memory carried your presence, and somehow love refused to fade away. Now I see that hearts need patience, and tenderness can heal what words have broken. We don't need perfect explanations, just an open heart and promises unspoken. Let the wind breeze touch your face. Let forgiveness bring us back to grace. No more running from what we feel. Tonight we know that love is real. Sail with me through the night, my love. Let the moonlight guide us from above. We don't have to know where tomorrow goes. Just follow where this gentle feeling flows. I forgive you, please forgive me. Let the past disappear into the sea. Through every storm, through every changing tide, I'll keep your heart safely by my side. If the waves become too strong, I'll be beside you all night long. If the sky forgets to shine, I'll give you a little light of mine. We've traveled through the highs and lows, and now there's something only time can show. A love that survives the longest rain can rise and find its warmth again. Suddenly the world became a quieter place. We used to talk until the morning came. Now I'm learning how to say your name without the weight of yesterday. There were moments when I made you cry, moments when we both were too afraid to try. But every lonely evening made me see how much your love still means to me. So tonight, let the old pain sleep. There are promises our hearts can keep. No more pride standing in the way. Let's choose each other from today. When the night belongs to us, stay close to me. Let your heart become a place where I can be. If we've stumbled, we can find our way. Love can bloom again with every brand new day. I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me. Let our hearts breathe gently and finally be free underneath this warm and peaceful sky. I love you with a love that never says goodbye. Your touch still feels like a summer breeze, bringing quiet comfort with such ease. I don't need perfection from your heart. I only need the truth when we make a start. We both carried shadows from before, but I don't want to carry anymore. Let the ocean take our sorrow from the sand, and let tomorrow find us hand in hand. Every tear has taught us something new. Every lonely road led me back to you. If your heart is ready, so am I. Let's leave our fears beneath the moonlit sky. When the night belongs to us, stay close to me. Let your heart become a place where I can be. If we've stumbled, we can find our way. Love can bloom again with every brand new day. I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me. Let our hearts breathe gently and finally be free underneath this warm and peaceful sky. I love you with a love that never says goodbye. Maybe love is not a perfect story. Maybe hearts get lost before they find the glory. But if you reach for me, I'll reach for you, and we'll build something honest, something new. No more games with the feelings we hide. No more letting fear become our guide. Just your heartbeat close to mine. had moments when the road got rough. Said goodbye when we had had enough. But every lonely evening made me see that your affection still belongs with me. So leave the old tears on the sand. Come a little closer, take my hand. No more running from the love we know. Let the gentle island rhythm flow. Under the coconut moon, stay with me. Let our hearts move like waves upon the sea. No more worries, no more yesterday. Let the warm night carry them away. I forgive you, baby, forgive me too. There's a sweeter kind of love waiting for us too. If forever starts beneath these stars tonight, I'll keep you close until the morning light. Your eyes still shine like morning sunlight, and your touch can make the whole world slow. I've learned that love needs understanding, and a little patience helps the feeling grow. We don't have to hide our scars anymore. We've both learned what we're fighting for. If your heart is willing to begin, I'll open mine and let the healing in. Let the ocean sing its peaceful song. Let us remember where our hearts belong. Take away the fear and doubt. Let the love we lost come flowing out. Under the coconut moon, stay with me. Let our hearts move like waves upon the sea. No more worries, no more yesterday. Let the warm night carry them away. I forgive you, baby, forgive me too. There's a sweeter kind of love waiting for us too. If forever starts beneath these stars tonight, I'll keep you close until the morning light. Maybe love is a little island, sometimes hidden underneath the rain. But when the clouds begin to disappear, you can see the sunshine once again. I'll be patient with your heart, you be gentle with mine. We can write a better ending, one beautiful moment at a time. like summer flowers coming into bloom. Then we stumble through some difficult days, lost our direction in 1,000 different ways. I said some things that I wish I could erase. You turned away with tears upon your face. But time has taught this heart of mine to see that forgiveness can set two hearts with you. So don't close the door on what we had. Don't let the lonely memories make you sad. If there's a little love still shining through, I'll spend my days rebuilding trust with you. Hold my heart tonight, don't let it fall. After everything, I still want it all. Your loving arms, your gentle smile, I'd walk through every storm another mile. Let forgiveness be our brand new start. Let the healing reach the deepest part. If forever is a road we choose to take, I'll give you every promise I can make. There were nights I heard your voice in my dreams, wondering if love was ever what it seemed. But the morning always brought me back to you and reminded me that some feelings stay true. I don't need to hide the mistakes we've made. Every broken piece can slowly be remade. If you can trust me one more time, I'll turn these scattered memories into something fine. Come closer, let the old pain rest. We don't have to prove who's right or best. Tonight I only want to understand what your heart has been trying to tell my hands. Hold my heart tonight, don't let it fall. After everything, I still want it all. Your loving arms, your gentle smile, I'd walk through every storm another mile. Let forgiveness be our brand new start. Let the healing reach the deepest part. If forever is a road we choose to take, I'll give you every promise I can make. Love isn't always an easy road. Sometimes we carry a heavier load. But when two hearts refuse to let go, they can find a place where the flowers grow. So take my hand beneath the moon. Let our wounded hearts start healing soon. No more pride standing between us, just the quiet truth that you still mean so much. choose love today. Ooh, baby. Ooh, yeah. Easy, easy. Underneath the evening sky, love can find its way again. I saw the tears behind your smile, and I knew we'd been apart too long. We both were wounded for a while, but somewhere deep the love lived on. I made mistakes, you made some too. We let our pride become the rain, but every road I walked away from you brought me back to you again. So let the old days drift away like little clouds across the bay. If there's a place inside your heart, let forgiveness make a brand new start. Love is calling us again, like the sunshine after rain. Come a little closer, hold me near. Let me wash away your tears. If forever starts tonight, I'll protect this love with all my might. After everything we've been through, my heart still finds its way to you. There's a gentle breeze across the water, and your hand feels warm inside my own. I don't need another promise, I just don't wanna be alone. We've learned that love can sometimes bend, but it doesn't have to break. And every heart that's truly loved can heal from every mistake. Leave the memories on the shore. We don't have to hurt anymore. Take my hand and walk with me toward the love we're meant to see. Love is calling us again. shaker and conga percussion. Mellow horn responses, love is calling us again, stronger than it ever seemed back then. Through the heartbreak, through the tears, we found our way through all those years. If tomorrow brings the rain, I'll be standing by you once again. No matter where this journey goes, you're the one my heart still knows. Ooh, my love, take my hand. We can start again, slowly, gently, one heart, one love, until the morning comes. Ooh, yeah. Come closer, my love. Let the evening breeze carry our worries away. Tonight we breathe again. We used to watch the sunset disappear, with your head resting gently on my shoulder. Then somewhere along the road we lost our way, and every silence seemed to make us colder. I won't pretend that I was always right. You had your reasons, I had mine. But all those lonely roads I walked alone only made me realize you're still on my mind. So leave the yesterday behind. There's something beautiful we can still find. If you can open up your heart tonight, I'll meet you halfway underneath the moonlight. Come walk with me by the shore tonight. Let the ocean carry all our troubles out of sight. Put your hand in mine and don't let go. There's a kind of love that only time can know. I forgive you and I hope you forgive me. Let our hearts become what they're meant to be, with the stars above and the waves below. I'll love you gently wherever we go. Your smile still feels like summer rain, softly falling after all the pain. I never stopped believing in your heart, even when distance pulled us far apart. Maybe love is not about perfection. Maybe it's choosing each other every day. When the storm arrives without warning, we hold on instead of walking. but we can choose what happens today. Two imperfect hearts can still be strong when they decide where they belong.
Star is watching you and me. We said some words we never should have said. Now all those memories keep turning in my head. I know your heart was hurting deep inside, and I was too proud to let my feelings rise. But tonight the silence brought me back to you, and all I really want is one more chance to prove. So don't let this sweet love fade. your affection every day, and my lonely heart has so much left to say. Stay until the morning, hold me tight, let forgiveness find us in the quiet night. After every heartbreak, after every storm, maybe this old love can be reborn. I remember dancing underneath the light, your sweet laughter carrying through the night. We had a love that made the whole world glow. Then somehow we let that feeling go. But love can bend without breaking apart. When forgiveness finds the deepest heart, I don't need promises written in stone, just your warm embrace to bring me home. The tide keeps rolling to the shore, and every wave says, love once more. If there's still a little flame inside, let tonight be where our hearts collide. Stay until the morning, don't you go. Let the gentle island breeze take it slow. I've been missing your affection every day, and my lonely heart has so much left to say. Stay until the morning, hold me tight, let forgiveness find us in the quiet night. After every heartbreak, after every storm, maybe this old love can be reborn. No more running from the truth, no more hiding all this love from you. Every road I walked alone only showed me where my heart belongs. If tomorrow brings another day, I wanna see your smile before you walk away. Through the changing seasons, come what may, my love will never fade away. Deeply Latin cranberry taste, soft scantly dark, world of umbrella, gentle chutney, get good caution, strong sense of hope. Say to the horn, this one says, stay until the morning, side by side, leave the old tears with the changing tide. After every heartbreak, after every storm, our lasting love can still be reborn. Stay, stay. Just hold me close. Everything will be alright.
Oh yeah. Under the island sky, let the love flow. Evening falling, golden on the sea. Soft breeze calling, bringing you to me. I remember every little word you said, every dream we planted in the night instead. We had some rain, we had some lonely days. We let our pride get in the way sometimes. But when I look into your eyes tonight, I still can see our love is shining bright. So let the past wash out with the tide. No more running, no more place to hide. If your heart still has a space for me, come a little closer, baby, let it be. There's a sunset in your eyes, and a sweet, sweet fire in your smile. Let me hold you through the night. Let our broken hearts make peace so I forgive you, forgive me too. After all the storms, I'm still choosing you. With the moonlight on the ocean blue, my lasting love will always come back to you. I know I hurt you when I turned away, and you said goodbye on that lonely day. But love is stronger when the truth is known. Two hearts can find their way back home. No perfect story, no perfect man, but I'll give you every part of me I can. Through every high and every low we face, I still find heaven when I see your face. Let the old pain drift away, like footprints disappearing in the sand today. Take my hand, don't be afraid. Real love is worth the price we pay. There's a sunset in your eyes, and a sweet, sweet fire in your smile. Let me hold you through the night. Let our broken hearts make peace a while. I forgive you, forgive me too. After all the storms, I'm still choosing you.
No more tears now, dry your eyes. We'll let tomorrow bring a new sunrise. Every scar tells a story of love, and every prayer still rises above. If the world should turn and the seasons change, I'll keep your memory close, I'll remain the same. From the first sweet touch to the last goodbye, you're the melody that never leaves my mind. Tropical control, southern brass crazy. There's a sunset in your eyes, and forever written in the sky. Through the heartbreak, through the rain, I'll keep loving you again and again. I forgive you, forgive me too. There's no other heart I'd rather hold on to. When the morning brings a brand new view, my lasting love will still belong. Sunset in your eyes, moonlight on the sea. No more running from this love, just you, just me.